There's several things that we do to keep your house clean. As we come into your home, we'll actually put on shoe booties to cover our shoes in case we've stepped in something or got our feet wet on the way to your door. But this way we have a better way of keeping your house clean and tidy. And then we'll actually leave your house smelling clean when we leave. The Boy Scout guarantee is that we'll come out and we'll take care of you, service the equipment that needs to be done. If we don't leave your house better than we found it, then we'll actually have a company come out and clean your carpets for free.